First ascent of this rock via rock climb on a more steeper.
Parental Control.
With top rope.
Advisory or something. You got it.
I'm off to. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. Go away, guy.
Really hugging the rock here.
Hey, you made it. That's good. Hug that rock. Woo!
Woo!
Alright, since the first ascent, you get to grade it.
Oh, I don't even know.
512B?
Yeah, something like that. Super challenging. Oh. I am pretty tired now. Alright, Vaughn, I'm ready. Come down.
Alrighty. Yeah, we get to grade this thing together.
Cruise it.
Vaughn, what do you think? Some sort of advice.
For you?
Yeah.
Send
Well,
it.
No.
Oh,
Something like deep.
Huh?
Like
Oh, life advice?
life advice.
Oh gosh. You're a life coach.
Is there 31? Jeez.
Ooh.
Holy cow.
I know. Don't grow old, kids. Hey, come here. Going for the second ascent.
Second ascent ever.
Chet on belay.
Nice. You got a good foot one inside. Or whatever.
Yeah.
For your
Right foot just in a little bit.
in like a foot to the left. Oh,
Yeah.
Grabbing right at that. Oh, yeah, there you go. You got
Nice one. Then you got a good left hand up following that same crack up there too. Nice. Climb on. First third ascent, Chet.
doing it. First person to climb this after two people climbed it the first time. You can get your right foot way up in the crack there, maybe.
Let's see, an unnecessary heel hook in here somewhere. There we go.
Oh, I screwed myself here.
See that hump just up above that one? Yeah, we were pushing off of that.
You want to lower me down from that now?
Start over?
Yeah. Behind the scenes. Right here, Isaac.
It's not all just adventure and craziness in life.
Scrambled eggs.
Sometimes he slows down a little bit, ladies and gentlemen.